8CR13 MOV, which is a proven steel, G10 inserts, stainless steel handle. Well, here it is, the Smith & Wesson Cleft. Definitely you can feel the weight of the steel. Deep carry clip, tip up. Yeah, about that lanyard hole. Assisted open. Sharpening choil. No jimping on the blade or handle. Dual thumb studs. Nice lockup on the liner. Relatively centered. Yeah, it is a heavy one. I'll have to weigh this when I get home and use it in the EDC testing, but yeah, I like these new knives from Smith & Wesson, the ones that are labeled with the names. I wonder if that 1020 on the blade is like the manufacturing date. I have to check the other knives. I do like right off the bat how the liner is not jimped and how it's flush with this side, but as you can see, not with this side. That makes it really comfortable in hand. So it is right side tip up only, which I don't know why. And not flush on the screws there, or even the clip into the handle. I know some people have cows about the branding. This is nothing compared to the old style SOG knives. The new SOGs are nice, but the old ones, yeah. And besides, I don't, this is not pocket jewelry, this is a tool. So, but that's just my opinion. So you got 1, 2, 3 Smith & Wessons, but again, it's such a minor thing to be triggered by. I mean, if you spent $500 and it had all that branding, and you spent $500, well, then obviously you wanted it. Nobody's forcing you to buy these knives. Interesting, this jimping on the base of the handle there. Okay, so there you go, Smith & Wesson Cleft. I really like that they named the blades. It does feel good in hand.